Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing great today. Oh, you guys, today I am going to make it quick and simple because I am about to go out and I wanted to record this before leaving. Today I'm going to the movies. I haven't been to the movies for a while and I am going to see Alita. Going out with my husband today, so I have to hurry up and get ready. So I just decided to sit down and record while I get ready to leave to the movies. Today I'm going to be using the Hourglass Seamless Foundation. This is a liquid foundation that I recently purchased and it gave me great results. The good thing about it is that there is no primer needed, so I'm going to go ahead and skip the primer and grab the Morphe sponge and apply the foundation. It is full coverage. I recommend that you make sure that your beauty blender is well damp to apply this product so that way it can have better movement. My ear is kind of red here, so I'm just going to apply some to my ear. Whatever's left, I go ahead and do my ears and go a little bit down my neck so that way I can match the foundation. Alright, so for my usual, I'm just going to grab my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer and go ahead and apply that underneath my eyes. I remember that the concealer used to be applied before the foundation, but when I started, learning about makeup and taking courses, we used to always apply the concealer first, and after the concealer, it would be the foundation. It's crazy how things change, and everything just gets more modernized and new techniques and new ways to just apply products. Now you see that everyone usually applies their foundation first and then the concealer. But it used to be the concealer and then the foundation. But you could do it anyway, whatever way you feel comfortable applying your foundation and your concealer. So I am going to quickly set that using the Fenty Beauty setting powder in butter. I'm going to set my whole face with this. You can also apply it with the puff, and if you see that the product doesn't go all the way through, just grab a brush and swiggle it around and you're good to go. Leaving a little bit under my eye so that way when I do my eyeshadow look, any product falls out, I have to do is wipe away whatever is left from the powder, setting powder, and we're good to go. All right, so what do you guys think about this foundation and this setting powder? On my last review, I really loved the way it looks. I feel like my face is very soft and smooth, so it's a very great product. I do recommend it. It is high on budget, but just with a little bit of product, you can use it for your whole face. And this says, let's see if it has an expiration. It's so small I can barely see it. I believe it says 18 months. Just with a little tiny bit that you use, you're good to go. I'm telling you, it's a very great product. So you have 18 months to use it before you have to throw it out. So don't leave it thrown in your drawer and start using too many products. I like to buy products that I know that I'm gonna use. When I finish them, well then I keep on buying other products so that way I won't waste any makeup. Okay, it's a shame to waste makeup as it is a shame to waste food. So I'm going to go ahead and do my brows real quick and I will be right back. Brows all said and done, I'm just going to go ahead and apply a little bit of more concealer on top of my lids. Alright, so for today, I feel like doing like an orange smoky eye kind of look. So I'm just going to be using warm tones today, and I am going to start off with the Juvia's Place palette, which has a beautiful orange right here. It's called Dakar, and I'm just gonna go ahead and pop that onto my crease. My husband just got here, so I just tell him to go take a shower and go eat because I already cooked. Alright, so going in real quick with Kissy from the palette, I am going to go ahead and apply that a little bit towards my outer V. Just to intensify a little bit that orange. I don't want it to look too strong today. I'm not going to any party or anything. I'm just going to the movies. Alright guys, so going in with my Morphe 35S palette, I'm going to grab a MAC 242. It is a flat synthetic brush. I am going to go ahead and use this color right here. It's like a orange with a little bit of shimmer. So I'm just going to go ahead and grab some of that, some there on the brush, and spritz it, and then apply it onto my lid. Now using the Cameroon from the Afrique palette, I'm going to go ahead and intensify a little bit more that outer V. I'm going to take this nude shade right here from the palette, from the Morphe palette, and put it underneath my brow bone. Just to blend out the edges a little bit from that orange. And there we go. Alright, so to highlight my inner corner, I'm just going to be using Summer from the Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit. And beneath my waterline, I am going to use Cameroon, that same brown shade that I used for my outer V. Also going to stamp a little bit of black underneath. I'm just going in with a black eyeliner that I found lying around. Now I'm just going to do a simple eyeliner on the top of the lid. I'm not doing a cat eye today, I'm just doing a nice simple line. So now I'm just going to quickly pop on, as usual, some lashes and mascara and lashes, and I will be right back. The lashes that I am going to use are the velour. I think these are the For Real Tough no, these are the Would I Lie lashes. So those are the ones that I will be using today. Alright love, so I'm going to bronze real quick, and of course using my Hoola bronzer so I could quickly hurry up. I have to go pretty soon. And I did pop on some lashes, but you know what? I think I will probably be taking them off at the movies. That's why I use the Would I Lie lashes from Velour. They're okay if you don't want, you know, lashes too heavy on your eyes, so they're good for that. Hopefully I don't have to yank them off at the movies. If I do, well, you know, my whole eyeliner will probably come off with them. So hopefully they don't bother me, but if they do, popping them right off, baby. Popping them lashes off. Now I'm just going to go ahead and grab a blush from Tarte and just apply a little bit. And for highlighter, going in with the Summer from the Glow Kit. A little bit on the point of the nose. And for lips, I'm just going to go ahead and use the Nude Lust from Maybelline. just go ahead and set the face with the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer Water. Almost choked on that primer water. Okay. So there you have it, a very quick and simple way to do your makeup. I hope you enjoyed today's tutorial, and I am so sorry since I'm in a bit of a rush. But anyways, I wanted to do this video. I didn't want to leave without doing it. I love you guys so much, and always remember that your inner beauty is what truly reflects your outer beauty. Go ahead and add me on Instagram. It's Denise Sanchez MUA, makeup artist. I know there are a lot of MUAs out there, but you know, it is short for makeup artist, so that's why I did it that way. And on the Twitter, I am Denise7Sanchez. I have no idea how to use Twitter. I mean, seriously. No idea at all. Over here where I live, we don't use Twitter. It's like a new thing. But yeah, just go ahead if you want and add me on Twitter, you guys. And subscribe to my channel before you leave, of course. I'll let you know my thoughts on Alita. That's it. I'm out. Peace. Love you guys so much. Mwah.